that stream flowing and bubbling from these here devil's pea pots now. One blast of boiling hot mud will burn the whiskers right off in your face. Here's a precious sight to these old miners' eyes. Yes, sir, the Calico glory holes made a lot of dusty old prospectors into filthy old hands, I tell you. This here underground lake's one of hundreds found all throughout these wide caves. That fellow over there is panning for gold from the snow. And that other fellow's panning for dinner.
Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted into kingdom come.
Yes.
Well, after that, folks, now that this train is